not sure. So I've got this metering the output from here, 3.9. Okay, and this is I just nicked some wires that I already had. And I didn't want to take off the rest of them, but there's a red and a black, okay, and they are connected to, got a black going to this one, and the red, you can see the red just about going into that one, okay, which is the positive. So we are connecting there. This one's showing 3.98. Which cell are we talking about? This one. No, I don't know. Can I get... It's not showing the voltage changing, but then I don't expect it to. What's probably happening is the resistance of the wires is probably counting. Okay, but the reality is this is charging it. So what I can do now is leave it. Okay, and we should see this one rise, and possibly this one. Oh, right. Turn off the power pack. Right, so that's zeroed out. Okay, so now this power pack, alright, let's just turn it off and then we know it's not on. Okay, so this is definitely going into that pack, right? What can I do? Okay, if I pull the negative is the easiest to get to, so if I pull that out, you can now see that it's on 4.01. So this system here is being powered from the battery. Right, and let me put that one back in again. Damn it. I'm going to blow something up, aren't I? There you go. And you can see it kind of dropped. No, I don't know if you saw it drop, but it did drop from 4 to 3.98. I'm guessing the resistance of these wires isn't great. So what's probably happening is that it's drawing current, it's just not that much. Right? And now we should see, essentially what we should see is these two will both drop and this one will rise. Meter's kicking out. Yeah. How are we doing for this? I'm just trying to see if it's warm. Seems okay. Yeah, this one's okay, but it's warm. So that's actually working now. That's what it's doing. We're using a charger which is taking power from the battery pack and charging that one cell, this one. Okay. It's not easy to see with the wiring because it's a bit crud, but you could see the meter reading. So I believe that that's working now, and it's working as planned. Okay, it's a bit crap with this isolating transformer and a buck converter. You just have a single circuit, but it does work as planned. You're obviously losing power, but we're really only talking about raising this one up from the 6.3, if this is reliable, 3.6, sorry, 3.6 up to 4 volts. We're talking about doing that, okay? And so we can leave that sitting there like that now and then see what happens. The Arduino, of course, just so we know, the Arduino is not taking power from the batteries. It's taking power from the USB connection which is connected here, so that's not actually being powered. But all of this circuit that's actually on the breadboard is taking, sorry, the screen said battery saver. That is taking power. All the stuff that's on there, the LEDs are obviously just for dropping, and because the LEDs are lighting, you're obviously putting energy into the LED, so you're going to be losing some through the LED itself because it's illuminating. It's not much, obviously, and it just makes it nice to see the lights. Okay, but that's working, so we'll leave it now and see if it does actually balance them, see what actually happens. It'll take a while because this is only like, we got maybe an amp output. In fact, I can meter the current that's going through it. Let's see what it is. It won't be much, I'm sure, but we'll see. Yeah. Sorry about that. I keep doing that, don't I? I keep forgetting I'm actually filming. Right, let's just... Oh, it is actually already pretty low. So if I now just try and get it around one of the wires without interrupting it. And now we can say, oh, look at that. Wow. It's pushing over an amp into it. Yeah, it's good. See what happens then. Right. Leave that there. Come back later. See if it's actually increased the voltage. I think these are 40. 40 amp hour, which means the 1 amp that it's putting into that cell, you know, would charge it from flat to full in 40 hours, but it's not flat. Okay, it's not going to be great, but I'm guessing that we will, after 1 hour, we will see a difference in the voltage. I think it will increase. This power pack was putting an amp in, and now it's obviously not, because it's, well, it wasn't before. It was putting in 190 milliamps. Okay, so we'll see what happens. Yeah, come back to this space.